Welcome to the Language Exchange channel. Let's talk about favors. Could you do me a favor? Well, I don't know. Sometimes people ask for favors, but others can refuse the request and give an excuse. So let's see some possibilities here of how to ask for a favor. Could you cook dinner tonight? Could you get me a cup of coffee? Would you mind closing the window? In case you are refusing the request, you could give an excuse. For example, I'm sorry, I can't. I need to finish this report. If you're going to accept the request, you can say, oh, of course, or sure. So, let's get to practice. Write here on the comments a favor you'd like to ask us. See you soon!